Alright, welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. There's plenty of videos of these rooms at Cove Haven, but we're just going to do a quick walkthrough. So for ours, you walk in, this is just the entryway, and then you look right into your living room here, slash jacuzzi, heart-shaped jacuzzi. Air conditioner lamps. You got switches everywhere that control everything. They do give you a coffee pot, coffee, you have a TV here. And then you have a little area to sit, a little table. Swing back, mirrors everywhere, as you can see. And then if you step down, you back up here. So we're gonna step down into this room here. And we have another TV here, fireplace, more mirrors, of course. You got another little seat right here. You can sit if you want to watch TV in here. And then you have, of course, the bed, more mirrors. And then I do like about this room is it has a nice big closet. You can hang your clothes all up. You know, shelf on top, ironing board. And of course you have the bathroom, double vanity. You do have a heater in here too, so if you're taking a shower, you can close this door and get this area warm, so when you come out of the shower, you're not freezing. And then the showers, it's a one-person shower. It's not really, maybe tight for two people, a little seat, but plenty of hot water. And of course, just the bathroom's kind of separate. It does have a little apartment-sized refrigerator in here, a little small one, or a dorm size. And then come out here into this next room. You can see you have your own pool in your room. And they cover it with this bubble wrap stuff that keeps the water nice and warm. It's very warm in this room anyways. And of course you have mirrors everywhere. And I will say, anybody that knows anything about these rooms, you can see this is always usually a mural over here of like a beach scene with a little fence, and that has been painted, so that mural was gone. But that's okay. And then back here you have a dry sauna. All of this in your room. Pros, it's a nice room. You have a pool in your room. It's not giant, but plenty to get in and cool off, I guess, with warm water. Yeah, it's a nice room overall. Now, see, these rooms have been upgraded. They used to have all carpeting on the floor and everything, and all of the furniture has been upgraded. I like that they have like the fake leather couch rather than the cloth. It's easy for them to clean, and I do like the new tables and stuff. It's got more of a I don't know, more modern look to it. What I don't like that they did is they have this long table here now, holding the coffee maker and that type of stuff, which is fine, but it used to be a small round table with two seats, so you lose those two chairs in the room. So if you wanted to, you know, have like a nice dinner in here with just you and your spouse, it's not as easy. Or if you want to play cards or something, it's not as easy because they did away with those chairs. So that's definitely, for us, was a negative, but it doesn't take away from the rest of the room. And the other negative is they did away with, they did away with the original stereo equipment, which is not necessarily a negative because I know a lot of people complained they couldn't get radio stations and all that, but you were able to plug your phone into it and then hear the music throughout your room with all of these speakers and the speakers in the pool room. Well, those are all now discontinued, at least for this room. So none of those are working, and they have this new system here that you can hook to through Bluetooth, and I didn't like it at all. It just has the two little speakers with it. I mean, you know, it's much more modern and new, but you only have sound right here in this room. So that was, to me, a negative. But I understand why they upgraded, because that system was pretty old, so I get it. And the other negative is, since they've redone the room and got rid of the carpet, the bed's on wheels, which it always has been, but now, I mean, it literally moves very easy. If you just move around in bed just a little bit, that thing is rolling around. Huh? Yeah, it definitely moves pretty easy. But those are very minor negatives, honestly.
Yeah.
It's really not that big a deal. But those are some of the changes. But other than that, it's a nice room. Yeah, you know, we use the fireplace. You know, you have to use a fire log. You can't bring regular wood. I do encourage you to bring your own log though, because they do charge more than you can get it locally. As well as if you want a bubble bath, bring your own bubble bath. But the heating and air conditioning in this room works very well. Well, I don't know about the heating, it's June, but the air conditioning works very well, as opposed to the Roman Tower and the Champagne Tower rooms in these resorts tend to, at least the rooms we've stayed in, tend to be much more difficult to cool down because of the multiple levels of the room. So this room has a plus for that as well. But there you have it. Hopefully you like it. It's just a quick tour of the Garden of Eden Apple Room. This room is available at all three of the resorts, Cove Haven, Pocono Palace, and Paradise Stream. We are currently at the Cove Haven location. So there's that. I was going to say something else.
Staff here is wonderful.
Yeah, staff is great here. Oh shoot, there was something I was going to say. I don't know. But yeah, it's like I said, this one is available at all three resorts. Oh, I did do, so a lot of people do videos of these rooms. So that's kind of why I'm trying to make this one quick. But I have another video that we'll post, if it isn't already, of walking around the resort. Actually, very little walking, but it's really talks about a lot of the activities you can do. So if you're coming here and you want to know what activities there are, and you've seen enough videos of all the rooms, I will put a link to that down in the description. And that should be a pretty good video. I haven't even made it yet. I mean, I made the video, but I haven't edited it. So I've tried to make it so it goes really quick, so there won't be a lot of downtime. But we walked all over the resort, and I'll tell you, when we were done walking that day, just doing these quick clips, we walked almost 3 miles to do that and to get that put together for you. So hopefully you like it. But again, this is the Garden of Eden Apple Room at Cove Haven in the Poconos, Pennsylvania. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.